How to set 1-inch margins in Word. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I am going to show you the methods to set an inch margin in Word. So first you need to go to File, then click on the options located in the bottom left corner. So a new window will open up. Here you need to go to Advanced. And here you need to scroll until you find Display. Here in the Display menu, there's an option called Show Measurements in Units of. So here you need to set inches, then click on OK. After that, go to Layout, then click on Margins. Here you need to click on Custom Margins. Then in this window, you need to type 1 inches in every margins. In gutter too. So top, bottom, left, right, gutter 1 inches. Then click on OK. And that's it for how to set 1-inch margins in Word. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Meet you guys in the next video.